A cocktail for the armed forces. Welcome back. Today we're going to be creating the Army and Navy. Now, the timing of the video for where it's being uploaded today is a little bit weird because of the impending Army-Navy game in 2022 when this is being filmed. But it's not named for that, no. Another idea is that it's named for the Army and Navy Club in Washington, D.C. No real definitive of that, but it's certainly possible. The drink is essentially a gin sour riff, and it just changes some of the sweetening elements from simple syrup to orgeat, and you know, it's something I haven't had. A bit of history about the cocktail: it did show up in David Embry's 1948 book, The Fine Art of Mixing Drinks. Apparently it was called this for the armed forces. Valid or not, I don't know, but as I said, I haven't had this, so let's go ahead and get into it. So I'm going to need, of course, my shaker, and to my shaker I need some Angostura bitters, 1 dash of Angostura bitters, and now I need lemon juice. I already have a pre-sliced lemon, and I need 1 ounce of lemon juice, and now I need orgeat. This is Gifford's. You can create your own, Small Hand Foods. So I need 3/4 of an ounce of orgeat. You may remember seeing this orgeat from my Japanese cocktail or the Mai Tai videos. And now I need London Dry Gin. Need 2 ounces of London Dry. I'm using Tanqueray, Ford's, Beefeater, whatever. You know what's next. Large cube in. Cocktail together. Grab Coop, Nick and Nora, what have you. Strainer, and I'm going to double strain for clarity, just in case. The garnish for this would actually be a grapefruit twist. I don't have grapefruit in my house, I'm sorry. So that would be the garnish for this. But that's pretty cool. The Army and Navy. Cheers. Ooh, that's delightful. I have to say that is very delightful. That's very good. The gin plays well with the orgeat, the lemon juice, the bitters. Like, it just all comes together. It's fruity, but it's not terribly so. It's really a nice cocktail, I have to say. It tastes like fruit punch. If you remember fruit punch from you were younger, even if you have it now, it tastes very similar to fruit punch to me. And it's a very, very good cocktail. I like this. If you like the video, then please hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and also share the video, please. If you want to use any of the barware that I use on my channel, check the links down below. They are Amazon affiliate links. If you click one of those links, make a purchase of the item there, I receive a bit of the kickback. Thank you in advance. If you want to follow me on my socials, they are right here. I'm not even going to say anything about my personal YouTube channel. In fact, I might even try and go back to Twitch, who knows. And if I do, I'll have new links up for that in another video. Until next time, thank you for watching. I will be back real soon with another cocktail, and this has been The Beginner's Bar.